Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to delete your YouTube channel. Alright, first make sure that you log into your YouTube channel that you want to delete, and from there we go to our profile and go to YouTube Studio. Then from here go to settings, go to channel, go to advanced settings, scroll down and go to manage YouTube account. Then, when we arrived here, go to View Advanced Settings, and from here, here's the option Delete Channel. So now, if we tap on Delete Channel, we will delete our channel, and it says deleting your YouTube channel won't close your Google account. So that is good to know. Now tap on Delete Channel. From here, fill in your password. So this account is Dutch, and it says right now a lot of Dutch words. So the uppers is hide my content please, and the other option is remove my content definitely. I want to choose that. Then I make sure that I agree with the following terms. This one too. And right now if I do delete my content, write down my channel name, delete my content. Alright, from now our channel got deleted, and it's exactly what you want to see. Alright, now it was a Dutch channel, so everything is in Dutch just right here, but you have the same options but then in English. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.